Our easy-to-use calculator is designed to help you figure out the overall cost of a bridging loan. Once all your information is entered, you'll be presented with figures showing how much you'll be able to borrow and what you'll need to pay back. Our calculator is split into two main sections. The orange boxes are where your information is entered, and the blue boxes are updated in real time based on the data you provide. These blue boxes show the results of the calculation, including the applicable LTV for your case, as well as the gross and net loan amount. First, you will need to specify whether you require a first or second charge bridge. Next is the term. The term is the period of time that you will have the loan for. Our minimum term length is 3 months, and the maximum is 18 months. The interest rate box allows you to see how your loan's repayment costs will be reflected by different interest rates. Interest rates will vary dependent on loan size, type, and LTV, amongst other things. However, you can find an indication on our Bridging Rates webpage. The property value box requires the value of the property you'll be using as security for the loan. For our criteria, we will require a minimum property value of approximately £140,000. You'll be able to choose from 2 interest payment plans. Fully rolled up, which allows you to pay all of the interest in one go at the end of the term, or part serviced, where you pay interest monthly with 3 months rolled and deducted. The arrangement fee box requires a figure that is a percentage of the gross loan amount. At Market Financial Solutions, these fees start from 1%. The loan amount required is the figure you think you'll need to move forward with your project or investment. You can borrow between £100,000 and £50 million across our bridging products. Once all this information is entered, the results will be visible in the blue boxes towards the bottom of the calculator. You'll be able to tweak the data you've entered and see how your loan will be affected in real time. But you must remember that these are calculated estimations. For exact details on costings, you can contact us.